What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I've got a fix for you for a super annoying gray zone warfare issue. If you happen to bring a knife to a gunfight or just be unlucky enough to be taken down in combat by crazy aimbotting AI, you've probably seen a screen like this, spammed respawn, gone back to your body, and you just can't loot yourself. This is especially damaging if you're on a PvE server and none of your friends can loot you either, meaning every single item that you had on you is permanently gone forever. This issue has been in the game for a super long time, and now the community has a fix that's pretty much 100% going to work. The solution to losing all your gear to an unlootable body, of course, is not dying or waiting 15 solid seconds here, so that when you respawn and head back for your body, your loot will actually be there instead of it just being an unlootable corpse on the ground. Anyways, it's super annoying to hear that the developers haven't fixed this issue as it's just such a big one in this long, but anyways, that's the community fix, or at least workaround. Of course, it is going to be super annoying waiting even longer, not just for helicopters to fly you around, but waiting on the death screen just so you can make sure that you can loot yourself. That's really it for this quick guide. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.